Welcome to my very first Friday studio. Each week I'm going to show you some little fun bite-sized pieces of animal drawing or ideas, concepts, etc. So for the first one I thought I'm just going to show you an easy way to draw a cat and a dog nose, just looking at some basic outlines. So for the dog I've done a very faint outline here, but to start with you would, maybe if I change it around, so it's around like so. So a basic shape like that. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect because you can always adjust it afterwards. I'll just put in a center line and around halfway we'll put in the two nostrils. So to get the little nostril outline shape, what I do is a bit of an S shape. So it goes here and then down, around, and then down there. And same on this side. So it goes down, there, oops, come up a bit there, and then round. So this side's more of an S shape, so I'll get a different colour to it in this orange. So this side is more of an S, so it's down, around and there, and this side's obviously a reverse, it's S shape. So that's a basic dog nose without any shading, but just how to get the nostrils in the right place. And over here I've got a bit of a construction for a cat nose. So with the cat nose, just start off with a bit of a rectangle. That's just to guide the shapes, and a bit of a curved line there. So that's step one. Then from the top, we'll just bring out a bit of a curved up line, and then down to that line there. And at the bottom, in the middle of that rectangle, is where you're heading. So from here, you'll head down to that dot there. So that's the basic outline of the nose. And from there, in this little quadrant here, you can add the nostrils. So it's the middle, and then that comes down to the mouth. That looks a bit like a stick figure now. And then you can just bring the little nostrils out a bit. So a bit of a curve there, and a bit of a curve there. So yeah, it looks a bit like a stick figure with little wings or something. So let's just go around the outline just to make that a bit easier to see. So we have the top, goes here, around and down, and then the nostrils. That's the cat nostrils in there. Center line to the mouth, and back to the dog. It's the nostrils are in here, and then after that you add your shading. So that's my first Friday studio. So thank you for joining me. And if you have some ideas about what else you'd like to cover in these little very short sessions, drop in a comment below, and I look forward to the next Friday studio.